If EA Sports FC26 won't launch and keeps closing after the preparing game screen, you're not alone. Many players on Reddit and YouTube comments say the EA app shows preparing game for a few seconds and then the game slightly closes. These are the top real user fixes that are working. First, try running both Steam and the EA apps as administrator. Completely close both apps from Task Manager. Then right click Steam and EA app and select Run as administrator. Many players say this fixes the anti-cheat permission problem and the game launches normally. Next, repair EA anti-cheat. Go to c:/program files /ea /ac, right click EA anticheat.installer.exe and run it as administrator. Select EA Sports FC26 and click repair. Restart your PC and launch the game again. Another highly reported fix is clearing the EA app cache. Open EA app, go to menu, tap help, tap app recovery, then clear cache. This refreshes corrupted launcher files without affecting your game data. Also, if you're using NVIDIA's smooth motion feature, turn it off. Several Reddit users found that it can cause FC26 to close immediately after the preparing game screen. And if you're launching through Steam, disable Steam input. Open Steam library, right-click EA Sports FC26, go to Properties, then Controller, then change it to Disable Steam input. Try these fixes one by one. Most players are getting back into the game after repairing EA anti-cheat or clearing the EA app cache. Bye bye.